So we haven't told you the name yet.
You're right. That was part of the film we lost.
That is part of the film we lost. So, you know that I grew up on military bases. My dad was Air Force, but I grew up on Army bases. Matt actually grew up on Navy bases. And it's kind of like docking a boat.
It is kind of like, especially if I'm backing it in.
He's doing really well.
I'm doing better than docking a boat.
You're doing better than he ever did at a boat. So yeah, it's
There are
great.
brakes on this. You can stop.
Yeah, you can stop.
Anyway.
Okay, so I may have always docked the boat. That's another story.
Take me to the place where I come from, the only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long. Back to you. Ooh. Back to you.
So we had this whole really cute thing of picking it up, and we've lost that film. So we're just going to cut to the chase. And given the kind of the boat and nautical feel, and we've decided to name her the RV Wanderer. And the short name that goes on the plank owner's plaque will be Wanda. So we have the Blue Goose and Wanda. And you'll be seeing a lot more of her, hopefully, as we go forward. And we're excited in about 4 weeks to be heading for parts north and hopefully Alaska. So,
Yep, and welcome to our beautiful 3970 toy hauler. And we'll do a tour of her in a little while. We have the front is pretty much set up, the kitchen's set up. I have somewhere to work, but the garage is like any garage, full of crud.
that's right. So we've got a couple people from the campground coming over tomorrow, hopefully, to see it. They're interested, and we're going to show her, and so maybe we'll do the tour then. It was interesting. The first time we pulled in, there were 5 Brinkleys in this campground. So
Yeah. And last night there was another Brinkley, and now they're gone. This is one of the first times we've been in a true campground without another Brinkley around.
That's right. So we're feeling kind of lost and alone. But
Maybe another one will show up for the car show.
yep. Anyway, it's a gorgeous night. Thanks for walking with us. Hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for further adventures of the Blue Goose and Wanda. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I've been so many places, I've seen them all with open eyes. Seen islands, open spaces, Serengeti sun slowly rise.